sizzle. It doesn't sound like we're cooking eggs in here. I can apply less heat and still get the same results. What? I mean, come on. Hi guys, I'm reviewing the product Aesty today. I'm really excited. It's been forever since I've straightened my hair, so I'm super excited. All right, let's do it. There she is. Okay. We're going to have her at 410 and see what that is like. I love that. The little stand for it. Okay. She's ready. She beeps. We're ready to go. Okay. Let's see here. Now, usually I'm super scared of getting close to my head, but I can get really close. Ooh! Look at that. Oh my goodness. She is gliding through. Wow. Okay. Y'all, I have a lot of hair, so this is going to be crazy. She is so poofy. It's ridiculous. Look how easy. Look how easy that is. I love that it's cordless. I could take it anywhere. I don't have to deal with the cord being wrapped around everywhere I go, trying to get around my head. So that's super lovely. I love that about it. Cordless is the way to go. Especially over time, I think with other straighteners, the cord, I would have to naturally wrap it around the straightener itself. Just gets too tangled up and ending up having to damage the cord. So the fact that it's cordless just saves all that time and stress, honestly. And it's I think it's way safer as well. Beautiful. The more I do, the more excited I get. The difference already is crazy. Clearly we have so much hair to get through, but we're getting through it. And that's what I like too, it's not a pain. I'm not dreading doing this, like the process of straightening my hair. It's really easy. It's really easy. So far it's really fast. It usually causes too much damage, but look at that shine. I don't feel like it's burning my hair. There's no sizzle. It doesn't sound like we're cooking eggs in here. Not super common thing for me to straighten my own hair, only because of the hassle of it. But the 3 that I've used, they've all had a cord. They didn't last very long, and it was kind of scary. I was slightly burning my hair, so that was never a fun thing. You know, you always worry about breakage and stuff like that, and applying too much heat. And we're on the highest setting right now. We're on 410. You don't even have to go that high. I could have done 365. Actually, I can go down. Let's go down. Yeah, let's take a second. So now I'm gonna have it at 365. But with the other ones, I would get to the highest setting because the other ones weren't even doing anything. It would be like I didn't do anything to it, and that was super frustrating. But then it was kind of like this because I would go to the highest setting and then I'd be burning my hair. So they did not set good examples for straighteners. But this is just a breeze. Okay, see? And she's quick, she's ready. She said, "You need me to go down a notch? I got you, girl." She's still right there with me. Look at that. Look at that. I can apply less heat and still get the same results. What? Okay, we're not doing bad. We're not doing bad at all. Look at that. She's cute, okay? She's cute. my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. No. I mean, honestly, so far, I'm like excited to straighten my hair. I'm excited to straighten it without the guilt. That's the thing. Straighten your hair without the guilt is what we want. And I think with Etsy is what we get. So easy. Oh my goodness. I can't get over that. I can't get over that. My natural hair is pretty curly and thick. As you can see, she's pretty thick. And growing up, I used to actually have to go in and get it permanently straightened. Go through all these chemicals and stuff that's just not good for your hair that honestly didn't even really work. And so that's why after that as well, I think I was just kind of scarred of even trying or attempting to straighten my hair again. Wow. I have straight hair. Wow. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh, that's the way I need to do it. Yeah. Wow, one time. Done. On to the next. Look at that! How fun! Zhuzh it up. Zhuzh it up, zhuzh it up. Super soft. Usually this is the scary spot because it's so close to your face and your eyes, but honestly it's literally a breeze. Like, wow. But this way. She's light and flowing. Yes. And honestly, I'm getting through my hair pretty quickly, which is amazing. Because if I can save some time, I can save some time. Yes, ma'am. Come through every time. Definitely digging the one swipe wonder here. I mean, you guys. You guys, we're on to something. We're on to something here. Okay, I'm trying a bigger piece. Just a little bit, see how it goes. All right, here we go. So close to my head, wow. Yes. Ah! It's crazy! Crazy! Craziness. Looking 10 years younger. Maybe not 10, maybe 5. I feel like a princess. Oh, it's so soft. So sleek. Like, look at my waves, you guys. Look at the waves. These waves don't lie, okay? They don't lie. Gotta give it a little love first. A little TLC. Nothing. Each time I do one, it's so satisfying to see it just bloop, just drop in. Like butter. Smooth like butter. Wow. So easy. I cannot stress enough how easy and breezy this thing is. Super fast. If I want to downgrade a temperature, if I want to upgrade a temperature within 10 seconds. It's not hot to touch at all, which is a huge safety thing. And it's just a breeze. It's just a breeze to get through my hair. And it's so quick. It's like she's inside my mind. She understands what I need. yeah, my favorite thing is just how easy. Anyone could literally do this. You don't have to be a professional at all. Cause what? A breeze. And the fact that it's cordless is just a plus, honestly. I don't have to worry about cords being in my face. And it's portable, literally anywhere you go. On the go. So, you know, if I come out of the party looking like this, you know, we can fix it. But I honestly think she's in there. She's solid. So I do really like that. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not even 10 seconds for each strand. Wow. Love that. Love that. Okay, you guys, so this is the final product. The ending, look at that. So smooth, so soft. I can literally run my fingers through it. It just kind of floats with me. So, I mean, come on. It's amazing. I love it. So Aesty was so great. She was there for me the whole time. What I loved about it the most, honestly, was it was just super quick and easy and fast. I didn't have to constantly go over each strand. Yeah, it was super easy to use. My hair is in good condition. Didn't feel like it was frying it out. Yeah, super easy, compact. Can take it anywhere with me, which is amazing. Super easy to use, close to my head, which I love. Super important for me because my roots get really curly and tight really fast. So yeah, super awesome to use, super easy. Definitely highly recommend.